The National Weather Service in Medford has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Clark County and central Wisconsin, western Marathon County and central Wisconsin, until 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Curtis and moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Curtis, Abbotsford, Dorchester, and Colby. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, in a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Clark and central Marathon counties in central Wisconsin.